Hello, let's go over a filler stitch called the fan stitch. So for this I'm using some lightweight yarn with a size 18 chenille needle, and we're going to begin with a vertical straight line just going down the middle of the longest part of the shape. Come back down about 3/4 of the way up the first stitch that you made, and then we'll just continue in this pattern until the middle third of the shape is all filled in. Now that the middle is filled in, I'm going to bring my needle up at the base of the shape and come back down through the fabric at the very top, and gradually making my stitches shorter along the edges of the oval until the entire shape is full. And that's all it is. It's really just like a variation of a satin stitch, but it's helpful to know, especially when you're stitching flower petals. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Thank you.